So I bought this WRX a while back. I just kind of want to make an update video. So I just put this STI wing on, and I had the WRX wing on before this. And you know, everybody's saying you had to drill holes and whatnot, and it wouldn't be strong enough using just the 4 bolts from the WRX wing. Well, I don't have any movement from it or anything. And as you can see, the only thing I used were just the 4 existing holes from the old WRX wing. So I just, you know, popped the clips out and used 4, and I used double-sided tape for the rest of it, and it seems to be holding up good. So yeah, I mean, that's all you need. If you can just line those 4 up, it's super easy. You know, the connector went right through, connected. My third brake light's working great. The only thing I would suggest is getting these springs right here. So you need to redo those, because your trunk won't like pop up in the air, because the WRX trunk's not strong enough to lift it with the STI wing on it. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it came out great. I really, you know, I got an OEM spoiler used, and it was in my color and everything, and yeah, it came out great. So, but yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update and just kind of help anybody out who's trying to put the spoiler on, you know, and they're worried about drilling holes. And so if you have a WRX spoiler already, it's super simple. It's 4 bolts. Take it off. You know, make sure you unplug the connector, and then just line up the holes on this one, and it's that simple. It's just like putting your old one back on. So I'll update you again. I get some more videos out soon, but thanks for watching.